Most people who grow cucumbers never touch a pair of pruners, and that's usually why the harvest is disappointing. One small cut made at the right time can be the difference between a handful of cucumbers and more than you know what to do with. What you need, and one caveat. This only applies if you're growing a vining cucumber, the kind that climbs a trellis or stake. Bush varieties don't need this, so check your seed packet first because pruning a bush type does basically nothing. If you've got a vining variety though, all you need is clean pruners or even just your fingers and about 2 minutes a week once the plant gets going. The first cut, removing early suckers. Here's the part almost nobody does. In the first 5 or 6 leaf nodes low on the plant, pinch off the side shoots, the ones growing out at an angle from the main stem. People feel like they're wasting growth. They're not. Those early suckers steal energy the plant needs to build strong roots and a thick main vine. Skip this step and you'll likely get a spindly plant that struggles to support fruit later. You'll know you did it right when the lower stem looks almost bare and clean, just one strong vine heading upward. Now, the mistake everyone makes. People let the lower leaves sit there touching the soil for weeks. Leaves near the ground stay damp longer and barely get airflow, and that's exactly what powdery mildew loves. Once your plant has a few feet of vine on it, trim off the bottom leaves, the ones closest to the soil. Not all of them, just the lowest 2 or 3 sets. This is the part that actually saves the plant later in the season, not just the harvest size. Here's where it gets a little contested, honestly. Not every gardener agrees on this next part. Some people pinch the growing tip once the main vine hits the top of their trellis to stop it wasting energy reaching for nowhere. Others let it keep sprawling sideways. I lean toward pinching it just because it pushes more energy into the fruit you've already got coming. Either way works. It's just a question of what you're optimizing for. Within about a week of doing this, you'll notice the difference. The main vine thickens, the leaves higher up get bigger, darker green, and the flowers, the female ones, the ones with that tiny baby cucumber already behind the bloom, start showing up more consistently along the vine instead of clustered in one spot. That's the part that actually tells you the energy redistribution worked, not the leaves, the flower spacing. A well-pruned vining cucumber plant in good conditions can produce noticeably more fruit over the season than one left to grow wild, partly because it's healthier, partly because it's not wasting energy you'll never use. It's not magic, it's just the plant spending its energy where it counts. One thing to watch for after this, if you prune too aggressively all at once, the plant can actually stall for a few days while it recovers. So spread it out, a little each week, rather than doing it all in one sitting. Sources are linked below in the description.